Four Sukhoi Su-57 fighter jets from the Russian Air Force accompanied President Vladimir Putin's official flight on the Ilyushin 96 from Moscow to Abu Dhabi, UAE. The Russian Ministry of Defense released a video showcasing the Su-35 fighter jets escorting President Putin's official aircraft throughout the entire flight, demonstrating their resilience despite adverse weather conditions during takeoff. Dmitry Peskov, the press secretary to the President of Russia, highlighted the need for special approvals from the countries involved for the Su-35 fighter jets to accompany President Putin. The Kremlin expressed gratitude to these countries for their cooperation. After visiting the UAE, President Putin's official aircraft, along with the four Su-35 fighter jets, will continue the diplomatic tour to Riyadh, Saudi Arabia, before returning to Russia. The Su-35 fighter jets accompanying President Putin are equipped with advanced military technologies, including high-capacity radar systems, optoelectronic target tracking systems, and electronic countermeasures, showcasing Russia's cutting-edge military capabilities. Peskov emphasized that escorting President Putin's official aircraft with the Su-35 fighter jets adheres to standard safety protocols for international visits, ensuring safety and integrity during the flight. This escort not only highlights Russia's military capabilities, but also signifies the diplomatic relations between Russia and the UAE. In Abu Dhabi, President Putin received an official welcome, including a flyover by UAE Air Force fighter jets emitting smoke in the colors of the Russian flag. Quoting Reuters, UAE President Sheikh Mohammed bin Zayed Al Nahyan referred to President Putin as a dear friend. Following Abu Dhabi, President Putin will visit Saudi Arabia to discuss various issues with Crown Prince Mohammed bin Salman, including cooperation within OPEC Plus and conflicts between Hamas and Israel. President Putin will also host a visit from Iranian President Ibrahim Raisi in Moscow next Tuesday.